Your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, I'll go back to the smoke here in a second. I want to start with radar real quick here. We got that one little weakening shower fading away. It's between 234 and 236 to the west of Parkersburg here in southern Montgomery County. It may not even last to Ladoga as it's collapsing pretty quickly. And we got a couple showers up here and a little bit of thunder trying to make it into northern Jasper County. But the bottom line is anything tonight would be really isolated. It wouldn't last very long. But watch the clock here tomorrow because tomorrow we're going to have smoke aloft, thousands of feet up anyway. That's going to give the sky a real hazy look. But this is smoke that's going to be mixing to the ground. This is the smoke that irritates your asthma, gives a hint of kind of a burning plastic odor outside. The reason why that is actually is, all this wildfire smoke from Canada, it's way up, thousands of feet up in the atmosphere. It interacts with that strong sunlight, that UV light, UVA light, and UVB rays. And we have a chemical reaction that takes place that converts the volatile compounds in the smoke to benzene and formaldehyde. So that's why it smells like burning plastic when you get this wildfire smoke in. You can see a little bit trying to come in here at 8 o'clock in the morning, but note how a lot of this smoke really starts to mix down to the surface tomorrow afternoon. This is 2:30, and you can see that dark blue and green color here. That is thicker smoke, and this is at the surface. So we are going to have some smoke issues tomorrow, the air quality going down. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. Now we get to Thursday, we start to see it kind of push away a little bit late morning into early afternoon, but then mid to late afternoon, it kind of mixes back down. So this is 5 o'clock on Thursday. There's still a little bit of smoke mixing down to the surface. So bottom line is, if you are sensitive to smoke and you have asthma issues, keep that inhaler handy and be aware that this is going to be a little rough tomorrow and even somewhat on Thursday as well. Some patchy fog tomorrow morning, isolated shower, that's it. And then the smoky haze and the smoke down to the ground with a few very widely scattered showers and storms tomorrow with mid-80s for your highs. We'll go for 86 at Lafayette, 84 to 90 area-wide, but that heat index 88 to 97. So rather hot tomorrow, 79 to 85, but the smoky haze on Thursday as we become mostly sunny though. Winds kind of brisk out of the northeast and lower humidity. It will feel better on Thursday. It's just going to be smoky and you're going to have a scratchy throat. Again, maybe something really isolated tonight. That's going to do it. Be aware of a random little isolated shower or storm. And then after that, you can see a few around tomorrow, not very many, maybe 35% coverage. And then the hot upper ridge begins to come back in after that brief cool off. You can see the reds and pinks here. That is heat. That's the hot ridge. And as it expands east and southward, we heat up and it's smoky and eventually it gets dusty as some of that North and West African Saharan dust make it into our area as well. 87 Saturday, still pretty low humidity, but then it turns humid, especially early next week, and it's smoky and it's dusty, and we may be able to clip a few clusters of storms in here late next week.